Show me dog. Oh, Hannah. Come on. What's dog? Show me cat. You show me bird. How about turtle? Alligator? How about hippopotamus? Yeah. Horse? Rabbit? You show me food. How about drink? Cute? You show me sweet. Yeah. How about baby? Can you show me milk? Or boob? What's boob? You know how to do boob?
Boo.
You say it, okay. How about pig? No pig? How about clean? Do you remember clean? How about diaper? Show me diaper again? There you go, diaper. Show me chicken? How about cow?
Oh.
How about sheep? Okay. How about clothes? What are clothes?
Do.
How about Arthur?
How?
Glasses. Yeah.